Good morning. In this class, we shall study about the balancing of redox reaction. We have already learnt about what redox reaction is because the word redox stands for two words, that is reduction and oxidation. So we can say that the chemical reaction in which both the oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, such reactions are called redox reaction. So we have to balance the given redox reaction, and there will be a large number of rules have been given for balancing of redox reaction with the help of either ion electron method or oxidation number method. So redox reactions are balanced by two methods. One of the method is balancing of redox reaction by ion electron method, and the another method which tells us the balancing of redox reaction by oxidation number method. So we can write the different method for balancing of redox reaction. There are two methods for balancing of redox reaction. First is ion electron method. Second is oxidation number method. Oxidation number method. These are the rules by which we can balance the given redox reaction. One of the method is ion electron method for balancing of redox reaction, and second is oxidation number method for balancing a redox reaction. First we have to discuss about ion electron method. With the help of ion electron method, we can also balance the given redox reaction by applying a large number of rules. Such rules which tells us, first we have to divide the given redox reaction into two half equation. Then we have to balance oxygen by adding water. So we can say that in order to balance oxygen atom, water molecule is added to the deficient side. The third rule which tells us, if we have to add water, then the number of hydrogen atom increases. So balancing of hydrogen atom can be completed by using and adding hydrogen ions. In case of ion and its balancing, we can use electron for their balancing. So we have to take one of the example of redox reaction to balance it by ion electron method. Balance the given equation by ion electron method. MnO4 minus Fe plus 2 Mn plus 2 Fe plus 3. This is one of the redox reaction that can be balanced by ion electron method. This is the ionic form of equation. So the rule which tells us, first we have to divide the given equation into two half equation. So the first step will be represented as A. We can write two half equations. MnO4 minus Mn plus plus and Fe plus 2 Fe plus 3. This is the two half equation. Another step will be represented as B. we have to balance oxygen atom. In order to balance oxygen atom, water molecule is added to the deficient side where oxygen is deficient. So we can write in the second step as balancing of oxygen. Balancing of oxygen. 4 oxygen atoms are present in the left side, that is reactant. So we can write 4 molecular water in this side, that is the right side in the product side. So we can write Mn4 minus Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. 4 atoms of oxygen are present in the reactant, so we have to add 4 molecules of water. By adding 4 molecules of water, oxygen will be 4. In the second step, oxygen is absent, so we can write the same equation in this way: Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3. Another step will represent as C, it is balancing of hydrogen. Balancing of hydrogen. In order to balance hydrogen, hydrogen ion is added to the deficient side. So 8 hydrogen atoms are present in the right side, so 8 hydrogen ion will be added. MnO4 minus plus 8H plus Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O. No hydrogen atoms are present in the second equation, so we can simply write Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3. This is the third step for balancing of redox reaction. First step is the 2-half equation. Another step will be balancing of oxygen. Another step will be balancing of hydrogen. After balancing of hydrogen, we have to balance the number of ions. First, we have to calculate the number of ions in the reactant side and the product side. 8 plus and 1 minus, that is 7 plus and 2 plus in the right. So 5 plus is more in the left side, so 5 electrons will be added to the left. MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5E. 5 means 5 electron is added. Mn plus 2 or plus 4 H2O. We can understand again that 8 plus and 1 minus, it is 7 plus and 2 plus in the right, so 5 plus is more in the left side, so 5 electron will be added. 5 electron will be added, it means 5 minus is added. In case of another equation, 2 plus and 3 plus, it is 1 plus more in the right, so 1 electron will be added in the right side. Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3 plus A. This is the balancing of ion. We can write balancing of ion, that is balancing of ion. Another step will be represented as A. It means balancing of electron. 5 electrons in the left side and 1 electron in the right, so we can multiply it by 5. So 5 electron to 5 electron will be cancelled, and at the last step we have to add the 2 half equations. MnO4 minus plus 8 plus 5 Fe plus 2 Mn plus 2 plus 4 H2O or plus 5 Fe plus 2. This is the balanced chemical equation that can be performed by using ion electron method. At the last, we have to calculate the number of ions. If the number of ions are same in both the side, that is reactant and product, the equation will be considered as true. 1 minus 8 plus and 5 into 2, that is 10 plus, that will get 17 plus in the left side. In the right, plus 2 and this is plus 3 ion. So 5 into 3, that is plus 17. In the left side plus 17 ion and in the right also plus 17 ion, and we can calculate also the number of atoms in both the side, that is Mn1, hydrogen atom will be 8, hydrogen will be 8, and all the elements will be balanced. This is the balancing of redox reaction by using ion electron method. We have to proceed by using some of the technique. In the first step, we have to divide the given redox reaction into two half equation. Then, in order to balance oxygen atom, water is added. In the another step, in order to balance a hydrogen atom, hydrogen ion is added. In the next step, in order to balance ion, electron is added. In order to balance electron, we have to multiply by proper number, and at last we have to add the given redox reaction, and again we have to calculate the number of ion in both the side as reactant and product. In case the number of ion will be equal, the equation will be considered as true. In the next class, we can study about the balancing of redox reaction by oxidation number method.